Hello, today I will show you how to add an application to the right click menu in your desktop. So when you click here, right click, you see any application you want to open it. For example, we take the application Microsoft Word and we want to put it here with those applications. When I click in it, just it open. Okay, we take the Microsoft Word like an example, and you can put any application you want. Okay, let's start. We go to start, Regedit, we open. So here we go to Hotcake Classes Root and we click in any file and we click in D in keyboard and we search about file that the name is there. I find it here, we open it, click in background, click in shell and we open it. In shell here we click in right button, we choose new K. So here we will write the name of the application that we want to put it. For example, we say that we want to open the Microsoft Word. We write here Word. Now we click in right button, new, again K. Here we write command. So we go back to our desktop to check. We click in here and we find the word Word. We click in it, but there is an error because we didn't finish our work under now. So we go back here, click in command and we click in default. Here we need to put the path of the Microsoft Word. So where we will get this path, we go to desktop, go to Word, right click, property, and we take this path, copy, we put here paste, we paste it here. Just we delete this code, this and this. Okay, now we're gonna try our application. Right click, we click in Word, and that's it, it's work. Okay, now we get back. We need to put the little picture, the icon of the word Word here, like the Intel and Nvidia here. We need the little icon. So we get back to the register, we click in Word, right click, new, string value, we put the icon. We open this and we make here the same path. We just put we pass it. We delete this code and this code. We put OK. We get back to the desktop to check it. So like you see, it's good now. Every application you want to put it here, just follow these steps and you will find it here. I hope that video helped you and see you in another video.